Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, and today's video is all about turning your investment world all the way around to make you a better investor. If you want to know how to become a better investor and make the best decisions that you can to grow your portfolio, you sit right there. Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here on our VectorVest Nation channel. Always glad to bring these videos to you, and today it's all about how to make you a better investor. So this week, Friday, June 24th, 2022, starting at 9:45 a.m., we're going to give you an opportunity to learn how to become a better investor. So especially what's going on right now, we've got rampant inflation, we've got a hawkish Fed, we've got supply issues, and people's portfolios are taking a beating. Well, there's no need to have to take a beating if you have all of the tools at your fingertips to help you to make the right decisions at the right time. And guess what? It all starts with market timing. Yes, we time the market here at VectorVest. Now, when we say that, we don't predict where the market is going to go. We stay on the right side of the trend and keep our subscribers always on the right side of the trend, no matter how aggressive, prudent, or conservative you are as an investor in the market. So we're going to start off with the foundational understanding of how to analyze your stocks and use market timing to know when to be in and when to get out of those stocks. Folks, you never fall in love with a stock. You can love a stock, but don't fall in love with it, and that takes the emotions out of investing. Folks, you need to learn to set the emotions to the side and take what the market gives you. If the market is giving you bullishness, then you play the market to the upside. If it's not, then you play the market to the downside. And folks, you can always make money no matter what the market's conditions are. So, just starting from analyzing your individual stocks and utilizing market timing, let's step in a little further. How about a retirement investment plan? There's a lot of people out there who are still investing in the market while being retired, or they're building up their retirement nest egg. We're going to take you through how to use the VectorVest software to find great stocks for retirement and how to manage those trades, what to look for, when to get out of them, other things that you can use in regards to retirement. How about those who are a little bit more aggressive? We've got a swing trading session for you just as well. That's when you want to stay in a stock for a couple of days to a couple of weeks, but you've got to still be on the right side of the trend of the market, and there's a lot of different ways to be able to do so. Swing trading is a great way to make money, reduce your risk, get in, get out, and do it over again. For those of you who want another tool in your tool belt, well, we've got options for income. And many people, as soon as they hear the word options, they start running in the other direction. Folks, Ron Wheeler here at VectorVest has a way of explaining options to a point that you can't help but to understand how to play options. He'll talk about how to generate income. There's a difference between making money and purposely generating income on doing some of the same things over and over. And it's just like going to an ATM where you just take the money out and sit back and just go, ooh-wee. That's what it's all about. So you can go to www.vectorvest.com and register right on that page. Let's do that right now. Let's go to www.vectorvest.com/summit. You'll be taken here, and then you can register. Boom. You register. Put your first name, last name, email address, click on register. Bingo, you are registered. Now let's talk about the agenda that's going to take place on the one-day seminar. My name is Glenn Tompkins, and I will be hosting it. So you'll see my face all throughout the summit. It's live and it's free. So you can go to the summit, you can watch it, listen to all of the talkers, the speakers probably, Todd Schaefer, Jim Penna, Dr. David Paul, Stan Heller from Canada, Jerry D'Ambrosio, Stephen Collini, and Ron Wheeler. We've got you covered from head to toe on how to consistently make money in the market. And again, folks, it is free. So I invite you to subscribe, or actually to register for the summit. Invite people to come. It's free. As long as you can watch it throughout the day, it's free. It will be up on our YouTube site all throughout the weekend for free. We will give you excellent opportunities for those of you who are subscribers to renew at rock bottom prices. And we're going to give you access to a lot of different things to help you. So, folks, it is Friday, June 24th. I will be hosting. It's a one-day seminar. You don't want to miss it, especially if you want to sharpen the tools in your tool belt and help you become a better investor in the market. So, folks, until the next time, this video is over.